Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing your environment and launching Pattern Keeper. First, make sure the app has storage and audio permissions so it can read beatmaps and play audio. Next, open a compatible beatmap file or connect a live mapping source. This brings patterns into the interface. Set your audio offset and scroll speed to match your monitor and reaction time so notes align properly. Once done, confirm the song loads and the timeline scrubs correctly, and you're ready to move to mapping tools. Now you dive into mapping and fine-tuning. Use the pattern editor to place notes, snaps, and timing sections with precise grid snapping active. While editing, adjust difficulty-related sliders such as spacing and pattern density to control flow and challenge. These influence player readability and performance. Frequently played as short segments, loop a tricky 4 to 8 bar section, and listen for rhythm mismatches. Make small incremental changes, then test again. This iterative loop ensures patterns feel natural. To finish, export the compiled beatmap package including audio and ASU files, and then validate the map inside Pattern Keeper to catch timing or compatibility issues. Once exported, test the full song from start to finish, watching for desync or misplaced patterns. If you encounter input lag or rendering glitches, make sure to adjust audio latency, lower GPU rendering options, and close background apps. These steps usually resolve performance hiccups. If validation flags errors, correct the specific timing or snapping issue, then re-export and retest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.